Soybean, a tiny seed with a big story. Did you know it's one of the most versatile crops in the world and has a fascinating journey in India? Let's uncover its history and impact. Soybeans were first cultivated in China over 5,000 years ago. Known as the golden bean, it traveled across Asia and became a staple in many cultures. But it wasn't until the 20th century that this super crop made its way to India. Introduced in the 1970s as part of agricultural diversification efforts, soybeans quickly gained importance, helping to combat malnutrition and boost farmer incomes. Today, soybeans are a cornerstone of Indian agriculture, particularly in states like Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Rajasthan. Rich in protein, they offer farmers a reliable source of income while contributing to sustainable farming practices. For many Indian households, soybeans represent health and nourishment. From soy chunks in curries to tofu in health conscious meals, soybeans have found a special place in Indian kitchens. As a plant based protein, they're perfect for vegetarian diets and are increasingly popular among health conscious Indians. And it doesn't stop there. Soybean oil, extracted from its seeds, is a cooking essential in many households. But soybeans aren't just about food. They play a crucial role in sustainable agriculture. As a legume, they naturally enrich the soil with nitrogen, helping eliminate the need for synthetic fertilizers. At Urban Farms Co., we are taking this a step further by aligning soybean cultivation with regenerative practices to improve soil health and reduce carbon footprints. From its ancient roots to its role in sustainable farming, soybeans have a rich story in India. Want to discover more about the fascinating history of your food? Follow Urban Farms Co. for more stories and sustainable innovations.